Hello and welcome back. Here we are at the Occidental fuengirola in the Costa del Sol, Spain, and this is the superior room. It's very tiny, but it did our job. As you walk in, you've got the fridge and the safe. Oh, we've got the water in the safe. Safe is €3 a day. Bathroom. No bath in here. Everything you'd expect. Lovely sink, hairdryer. Everyone asks them questions about, do you have hairdryers? It got a little bit of a kit, comb, dental kit, tissues, and another dental kit, so toothbrushes in there, and some toothpaste in case you forget. You got some like shampoo, conditioners, towels. This is our last day, so excuse a mess. Lovely super duper size bed, which is lovely and comfy. Telephone to reception. Area for your cases, luggage. Teas, coffee machine. The only complaint is not enough milk. As you know about milking, brilliant. And it's just for only two of us here, so it was just the right size for two of us. I think you'd struggle with a family in here. And this, look at this view. Look at the view. Look at this. And look how so, if you've been watching some of my other videos on social media, bar there called the Breeze Bar, that's lovely. And then there's another sitting area in there. Breakfast is all over there and reception's all over there. Exit gate is out there. You go through there to the exit. Walk down the passageway there, and you're there on the beach. So when it says in the brochure 50 yards to the beach, be right. Swimming pool opens up at 9:30. As you can see, the pool guy's fixing it up, cleaning it all up. 9:30 till about 7:30 that opens till. We're B&B. We're bed and breakfast, but you can do B&B or half board. I've not seen it for all inclusive. You've got a lovely pool bar there, and you've got like the Breeze Bar there, which is open. That opens. This pool bar opens at 11:30 in the morning till late, around at say 6 o'clock, say 5:30, and this one is open till midnight from 10:30. And look how beautiful you are, so close to the front. Stunning. Thank you for watching. So this is the Occidental fuengirola in the Costa del Sol. We're around about 20 kilometers, 15-20 kilometers from the airport, Malaga, and we're about 15 kilometers from Marbella. Okay, so if you like this video, please remember to subscribe if you want to see more. Notify us, press the bell, like, shares, whatever you do, because you'll see more of my videos. Look at this. So we just did a short stay. It's just lovely to come away. Temperatures, we're here in today is the 20th of July, and it gets up to around about 35 degrees, although the weather apps say around about 32. I think it's higher, a lot higher. So, and look at that skin, just look at that. I'll leave you with this. Stunning. Lovely lobby area. This looks amazing lit at night. Mountains. A lot of sunshine. Today I think we're going to go on the beach today. We're going to be on them beds hopefully. See how that goes. Okay. Thank you for watching. Adios.